Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. For tonight's video, I will be running my Eureka self-propelled 1987's model. This vacuum did come out in the 80s, and I remember this is one of my favorite vacuum cleaners at all times. And I remember I used to have this machine back when I was a kid. And back in middle school, I used to have one of those. And this was the exact machine I used to own. The Eureka self-propelled. That vacuum has been my favorite. And for first of all, anyway, I'm gonna run it, okay? 3, 2, 1. Hold on for a second. Make sure my camera is on. Yep, the camera's on. Still there. Still there. Also, anyway, let's keep going, and also, I'm going to be turning on the switch right here. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, everybody. This vacuum cleaner does work, and for first of all, works fantastically, works pretty good. I love it. I love my 1987's Eureka self-propelled with a thicker cloth bag. Is more cleaner, more sleeker. This vacuum, I mostly use it for cleaning up carpet dust. It's for vacuuming up mud dust. And I mostly use it to vacuum, and it's for vacuuming up dust and sand. I wanted to use this vacuum for cleaning up shreds of paper. And I'm looking forward to do something to make me feel happier. What I wanted to do. First of all, I felt really, really excited for July, for my 27th birthday until later. But right now, let's not worry about my birthday, but I'm just going to worry about the end of May, and I'm taking a break from doing a lot of work, from construction working, house cleaning. My uncle was been real burnt out from cleaning out my mom's old house, and I've been getting a lot of my belongings, and I really did help my uncle move some furniture here in this media room to add another shelf right over there. And I've been decorating this room. You guys, I'm really burnt out from moving furniture right now. I'm taking a break from it. I'm still going to a doctor's appointment tomorrow. And also, you guys, I might be taking a nap tomorrow in the afternoons, because from getting up so early was a lot. But anyway, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!